You want to be brushed? Thank you. A lot of the reasons that cats don't like to be brushed is because the grooming tool is being used incorrectly. This tool, even though it has metal pins, I don't put any pressure on it. I just let the tool do the work. Bobtails like to be beat. A lot of people don't believe this. You like it, Mario?
That's just something that the ragdoll likes too.
Oh, yeah, it's the dog thing. I think it's part of that dog personality that they like to be beat.
Well, yeah, obviously he likes it.
Mario?